Hello and welcome to a new video. Today's video is about iPhone 12 and 13. I'm getting lots of complaints. People are complaining that battery is draining like too quickly. And I'm going to share a few tips that can help to avoid this problem. So number one is avoid extreme temperatures. As you can see on the phone screen, is showing the temperature, like it's been exposed to either extreme hot or extreme cold temperature. So if you live in a place where it snows a lot and the temperature is like -40 or -50, try not to leave your phone in the car. And the same thing if you live at a place where it's like 100 degrees and it's really hot, places like Middle East and stuff. So in that case, again, you don't want to leave your phone in the car. And you know what happens is once you're exposed to extreme temperature, you internally damage the battery, which in the long run gives you lots of problems. So the next thing you want to check is, which is a very simple thing. So you want to go to general and software update, and you want to make sure that your software is up to date, especially with the iPhone 12 and 13. Currently I'm running on 15.3 beta version. It's for developer and for testing purpose. So after you have updated your phone, then the next thing you want to do is change it to dark mode. How do you do that? So go to display and brightness, and you see dark mode here. Personally, I don't really like this mode, but if you're in a situation that where you have to conserve the battery and you have no choice, so you can switch it to dark mode rather than running in a light mode. So that can save you a little battery. And also, what you can do is you can turn the 5G off. It's not gonna show in this phone because it doesn't have the SIM or any cellular plan currently. So if you go in cellular, you should be able to turn the 5G off, especially if the plan you're using that does not include the 5G data. You don't want to keep it on. That kills the battery for no reason. So that's only for, again, 5G. It's compatible from iPhone 12 and up, so 12 and 13. If you have 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, don't look for 5G because that phone is not compatible with 5G. So the next thing what you can do is disable the unnecessary vibrations. So you go to sounds and haptics, and you see vibrate on ringing. You don't really need that. If the ringer is on, you don't want the phone to vibrate. So these little things, they at the end of the day, they help to save the battery. So if you've done the vibration as well, the next thing you can do is you can use low power mode. How can you do that? If you go to battery here, and then you see here low power mode, you want to keep it on, and that also helps to conserve the battery. And besides that, you can also remove unwanted widgets. Like I just deleted. I don't have it on my phone right now. If you have too many widgets that you don't even use, that you might want to erase them or delete them. What happens is on every notification it pops up, and then it consumes a little bit of battery, which you don't want. So the next thing you can do is optimize battery charging. So if you go in battery again, and then you go to battery health, here you see optimized battery charging. So you want to make sure this one is on. I usually keep it on. So this is not my daily usage phone, but on my 13 Pro Max, I make sure I keep it on. And it shows here the battery health maximum capacity is 99%, which is pretty good. And the next thing you can do is turn off the background app refresh. So to do that, you go in settings, you go to general, and then you see here app background refresh. So you click here, and it's already off. So here you can you just want to turn it off, so that also helps you dramatic battery drainage, in minutes. Like you just saw it's 89%, and after a few minutes later you saw it's 37%. So the next thing you can do is turn off automatic uploads to iCloud. Now I do not have any data in this phone, but sometimes your pictures being uploaded on iCloud and you don't even know, even though your screen is off. So you want to turn off the iCloud upload, automatic upload off. And after that, the next thing you can do is pretty common thing, like common sense, that you keep your screen brightness. You see right now it's currently at full, so that also kills the battery. Now usually it's on automatic, but you can also manually adjust it. I usually keep it just a little below the middle. And also you see the raise to wake. Every time your phone is sitting on the table, you want to put it in your pocket. When you pick it up, the screen goes on. So if you keep this off, the screen will not turn on once you raise the phone. Only when you tap on the screen, then it will turn on. So there are a few more little things, but these are the major factors that the battery killer. And if doing all these things you are still facing the battery draining, like dramatic drop in a battery, then you might want to consider replacing your battery. First you go here, and if the battery health or maximum capacity is showing 99%, there is no way that the battery should drain like within few minutes or within even 30 minutes. It should run at full maximum capacity. So that's it for the day, and thank you very much for watching this video. Next video I'm gonna make on 15.3 beta 1 version that I've been testing on my other phone. And stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.